Some people don't avoid big life decisions because they're lazy or weak. They avoid them because their mind gets trapped between fear and regret. They think for hours, for days, sometimes for years. Every path feels like a possible mistake. Every choice carries a weight too heavy to bear. What if I fail? What if I choose wrong? What if I ruin my life? And slowly, not choosing starts to feel safer than choosing. The world moves on, but you feel stuck, caught between possibility and fear. And in that stillness, the mind whispers, maybe staying here is safer than moving forward. But why does the mind get stuck like this? Psychologists call it decision paralysis, a state where the brain becomes overwhelmed by too many possibilities, too many risks, too many unknowns. When every choice carries a shadow of regret, our mind instinctively seeks safety. Safety in not choosing at all, because inaction feels predictable, even if it slowly erodes your confidence and freedom. Studies in behavioral psychology show that our brains are wired to overestimate potential losses and underestimate potential gains. We fear regret more than we desire success, and this fear traps us in a cycle of indecision. The paradox is clear. Avoiding a choice may feel safe, but it quietly steals your life, one unmade decision at a time. But there is a way forward, and it begins with a single step. Decision-making doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to guarantee success. It only needs to move you out of the trap of inaction. Start small. Choose one thing today, even if it seems insignificant. Each choice is practice, a way to train your mind to trust itself again. Psychology teaches us that action reduces fear. Even imperfect action releases the weight of uncertainty, and with each decision you take, you reclaim a little freedom, a little clarity, a little confidence. Because in the end, avoiding choices doesn't protect you. Choosing, even with risk, is how we grow. It's how we learn. It's how we live. And here's the deeper truth most people don't realize. Indecision doesn't vanish overnight. Fear doesn't disappear with a single choice. But every step you take, no matter how small, reshapes the way your mind approaches life. Your brain learns through action. With every decision, you train yourself to trust your instincts, to weigh risks realistically, and to face regret without being paralyzed by it. Over time, choosing becomes less scary. Mistakes become lessons, not disasters. The weight of indecision slowly lifts. The path forward becomes clear. Confidence replaces doubt. Courage replaces hesitation. So remember, life doesn't wait for perfect decisions. It moves forward, and so can you. The courage to choose is the courage to live, because growth, freedom, and clarity are found not in avoidance, but in action.